The synchronized flow of advanced manufacturing begins here, bringing the F-16 Block 70 airframes to life with meticulous precision.
The panels are slowly lowered into the etching solution, a critical step in reducing the overall weight without compromising structural integrity.
Sealant applied, ready for the next section.
Copy that. Securing the composite core now.
Starting final torque checks.
With the hydraulic integration complete, the system pulses the fluid, retracting the gear before the doors snap shut with a seamless finish. Lining the engine bay with gold foil and titanium heat shields is a meticulous process. This reflects. With the fiber optic links secured, the team swings the radome into place. Precision fasteners lock the protective
Applying full tension now.
harness integrity confirmed. Tension level looks optimal. Using heavy-duty hydraulic actuators, the wings are precisely mated to the fuselage.
The flexible leading-edge flaps are cycled through their full range of motion, driven by powerful internal rotary actuators.
A pulse of light confirms the signal path, registering a perfect pass on the continuity check.
The gravity feed test confirms flow from the upper tanks. Now, we'll validate the motorized valve response. The emergency blowdown test successfully forces the gear down, verifying the 3 green locked indications.
Connector locked and secured.
Affirmative. Thread library sync shows successful upload. All systems green.
Finish on the vertical stabilizer is pristine. Wicks are tight.
Confirmed. Final status check shows all green. Ship is ready.
Final 7 complete, clear the streamers. Copy that, removing flight surface safety pins now. Cleared contact.
Established. Receiving fuel.
That flashing red icon is the enemy position. Designate it Stinger and transmit the coordinates immediately.
Confirmed. Transmitting Stinger coordinates now.
Data download complete. All systems checking out. Confirmed. 100% successful flight. If a part is predicted to fail, the system automatically orders a replacement from the nearest warehouse before the pilot even lands.
Is the KG-119 module fully integrated?
Yes, sir. Finalizing the firmware update now.
This specialized white coating protects the airframe from the harsh desert sun and sand during long-term storage.
Maintenance log and digital key. She's mission ready. Understood. We'll take it from here.
$50-hour check initiated. Engine diagnostics are nominal.
Confirming turbine integrity via bore scope. No
Eagle 1, refuel complete. Clear to launch.
Roger that.
These structural reinforcements are key to the F-16's life extension program. The jet is essentially reborn for another 20 years of service. This modern high-speed processor allows the older jet to utilize the latest radar and advanced weaponry systems.
Inside the RCS testing facility, the jet's signature is meticulously measured. The radar return
The robotic arm precisely inserts the specialized nozzle. Under the microscope, technicians verify the spray pattern.
The wing fuel probe door is cycled. This allows the F-16 to be refueled by European and Navy tankers using the probe and drogue system.
Pressure applying now. Hold breath. Holding. Seal looks good. Confirmed. Test passed.
The SATCOM antenna provides the pilot with high bandwidth, beyond line of sight voice and data connectivity.
A synchronized global distribution network ensures F-16 components reach partners like Poland, Taiwan, and Morocco without delay.
Everything checks out. We're good to go. Roger that. Safe flight.
F-16 initiating strike protocol now. All systems synchronized.
Patriot battery standing by.
All right, bring her in slowly.
Steady, steady. We're clear on the mounts.
Locked in. Ready for connection.
Factory legacy. The next generation begins. The cycle starts again as raw materials are unloaded for the next F-16.
It is a testament to 50 years of engineering and industrial perfection.